Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify 10K filings with SEC API easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify 10K filings using the SEC API, first, ensure you have a reliable internet connection. Begin by accessing the official SEC API documentation online. Familiarize yourself with the API endpoints relevant to 10K filings. Next, gather the necessary information about the company you wish to verify. You will need the company's central index key, or CIK number. Visit the SEC's Edgar database to find the CIK associated with the company. Once you have the CIK, open your preferred coding environment. If you are using Python, install the requests library if you haven't already. Use the command pip install requests in your terminal or command prompt. Create a new Python script in your coding environment. Start by importing the requests library at the top of your script. Next, define a function to fetch the 10K filings from the SEC API. In this function, construct the URL using the CIK and the endpoint for 10K filings. Make a GET request to the API using the requests library. Store the response in a variable and check for a successful status code. If the status code is 200, parse the JSON response. Look for the relevant fields that contain the filing details, such as the filing date and document link. If the status code indicates an error, handle the error gracefully in your code. Print out the filing details for your 10K filings in a user-friendly format. Consider implementing a loop to fetch filings for multiple CIKs if necessary. Before concluding, test your script to ensure it functions correctly. This will help you verify 10K filings quickly and efficiently using the SEC API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.